Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you a simple step-by-step process to recreate the iconic look of Disney Princess Moana right inside Avatar world. Here, I've already on the Avatar creating page. First, you need to change the skin tone, so I'm going to change using this color. Now for the eyes, I'm going to use um, this one and change the color into brown. And now let's remove the shoe. So you can just click on the cross icon because Moana doesn't wear any shoes. And let's put on the skirt. For the skirt, I'm going to use this this skirt in here and change the color. Sorry, I'm going to wear this skirt, and here for the color, I'm going to change it into this color is right here. So for the hair, you need to go out and go to the hair salon. I'm going to use this hair first, and now you can go back again to the avatar creating page. So click on this one in here and edit the hair again. So in here, change the hair color to black. Okay, this color's here. And now scroll down until you find this hair. And again, a black for the color. Now use this hair, and again, you can just change all the color into black. And then let's find and also add this hair in here. I think I'm going to just use this one in black color. And now I'm going to click on this one and add some accessory in here. Okay, from this one. And you can just put on this right here. Now let's go out. So after this, you can just find the clothes that fits with Moana. If you cannot find it in here, you can find in another store. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks. I'll see you in the next tutorials. Bye.